So we're going to look today at factorising expressions. How we do this is to remove the highest common factor from each of the expressions. It's a bit like the opposite of multiplying brackets that we looked at earlier on in one of the previous lessons. Okay, so we'll start with number 1, and we've got 10x plus 400. So 10x plus 400, we have to think of the biggest number that goes into both 10x and 400. I like to think of the numerical terms first. So 10 and 400, the biggest number that fits into both of them is 10. Then I look at the letters. There is no letters in common, so therefore there's no common letters. Okay, so we have to divide the things by 10 now, each of the two terms. 10x divided by 10 leaves me with x. 400 divided by 10 leaves me with 40. So that is my correct answer, 10 bracket x plus 40. And if we multiply that back out, we'd end up with the same result. One way of checking it. Okay, second one, 15m plus 25. Well, again, numbers 15 and 25, the biggest number that goes into both 15 and 25 is 5. Letters wise, there's no common letters, so that's our highest common factor. 5 goes into 15 3 times, but it's 15m, so it's 3m. 5 goes into 25 5 times, so my answer is 5 bracket 3m plus 5. Number 3 now. Again, we're looking at these two terms. We've got 33x squared and 27. Let's look at the numbers first. 33 and 27. The biggest number that both goes onto them, the biggest time they're both on, is 3. So I'm putting 3 here. Now I've got to look at common letters. I've got x squared and x. There is a common factor there. X squared, remember, means x times x. And we have x in other terms, so the highest common factor is in fact 3x. 33x squared divided by 3x will leave me with 11 lots of x. 27x divided by 3x will leave me with negative 9, like that. So my answer to that one is 3x bracket 11x minus 9. Number 4, our last one now. Again, we'll look for the highest common number, 120p squared plus 40p. The highest common number is 40. 40 on the outside. P squared, that means p times p. We also have p another one, so it's 40p is in fact the highest common factor. 120p squared divided by 40p will leave me with 3p. 40p divided by 40p, everything divided by itself is 1, so that's just 1 plus 1. And that's our answer to each term. Now if you don't always take the highest common factor out, check your answers. So, for instance here, check x and 40. There's no common factor between them. 3m and 5, no common factor. 11x negative 9, no common factor. And 3p and 1, there's no common factor. So that means I must have removed the highest common factor each term. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll put the exercise now and mark your work.